What's going on, guys? Today we're opening up the latest and greatest Hot Wheels Forza Motorsport set. We saw one in 2016, 2017, and this is the 2018 set, so let's open it up. The first car in the 2018 Forza Motorsport set is the green Morris Mini with white racing stripes on the hood, a white roof with a Forza logo, and an Xbox One Racing number 1 on the side. Number 2 from the Motorsport assortment is the red AMC Rebel machine with Goodyear tires, black rally stripes, and a black Forza Motorsport logo. The third car in Forza is the BMW 2002 featuring iconic blue and red striping on a pearly white body, finished off with a bright red Forza Motorsport logo on the hood. Now, number 4 in this set is a brand new casting from Hot Wheels. It's the blue Nissan Silvia S15 with gold 6-spoke Real Riders wheels and a black spoiler on the back. And last but not least, number 5 in the Forza Motorsport set is the black Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4 with a green and white Forza-themed wrap and Euro-style Real Riders wheels. There we have it, guys. Those are the latest 5 Hot Wheels cars to join the Forza Motorsport family. Let me know in the comments below which car from this set is your favorite, and also which Forza set is your favorite so far, the 2016, 2017, or this set for 2018. And if you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.